welcome back to Smile with Sonvi. I'm Sonvi and I'm so excited to hear. It's melting hot in Texas and I'm melting too. I need a snack, and by snack I mean a cold snack. Ice cream! Guys, come. We're at Ked's Ice Cream. I'm gonna try the craziest and yummiest ice creams that they have. Let's go find out which one's gonna be my favorite. It smells so sweet in here. Not only the ice cream, but look at the interior. It's so bright and colorful. There's pastel colors. There's white tables with blue and pink chairs. And so many desserts and ice creams and colors. This is the best. Heads is always a good idea. Let's explore some birthday cakes. This one's butterscotch, red velvet. Oh, red velvet's my favorite, by the way. Cookies and cream, mango ice cream. Ooh, I've never had mango ice cream. Cookies and cream cake. That's one of the best flavors. Anyway, look at these. These are like to-go ones. I love like Ked's ice creams because of this. You can just take them home and have them every single day. So many flavors: raspberry, cookie dough, birthday cake, chocolate, fudge, brownie, and pineapple. I don't know what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try cotton candy. It's cotton candy. Let's try it. It's really good. Bubblegum. And by the way, all of these flavors are kids' flavors, so they're gonna absolutely taste really well. Let's try this one. It's like real bubble gum. I want to try to blow a bubble. Aw, it didn't work. Okay, these are like more of the healthy, the chill, the common flavors. I'm gonna try honeydew. Thank you. Let's try it. Let's see if it's as good as bubblegum. It's so good. I think this might be my favorite. Now that we're here, let's talk about the Western flavors. Red velvet, lavender honey, passion fruit, sea salt, caramel, coffee, horchata. They're all Western flavors. Which one seems the best for you guys? I want to try lavender honey, please. Thank you. Lavender honey is so good, guys. Come try. Lavender honey is obviously lavender, but this one has a little bit of blue, as you can see. I think that's supposed to be the honey. It's like really soft and melting in your mouth, obviously. But I have a challenge for you guys. Before this melts, can you like and subscribe? Guys, I can't leave without trying red velvet. Like I told you, that's one of my favorites. Red velvet's like red, but this one's not fully red. It's like kind of pinkish. It has some crunchy stuff in it, which makes it like a lot like red velvet. Overall, a 9.5 out of 10. The Asian flavors. Let's go explore them. We have mango, gulab jamun, kulfi, vanilla, faluda, rasmalai, kashwari, almond pistachio saffron, lychee. Oh, I've never tried lychee. Malai, sapulda, pistachio, han, gova, machuri, custard apple. Two. Mango is like the most summer vibe. Let's try mango. Okay, it's like butter yellow, which makes it really cool. Let's try it. Like always, mango's the best, but this one has a lot of mango flavor to it, which makes it really good. It's really soft and like melts really easily compared to all the other ones. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I haven't showed you the menu yet. Obviously, ice cream's on the menu, but let's put that aside for a second. Okay, as you guys can see, they have boba teas. Ooh, boba. They have refreshers, fresh fruit tea. That sounds good. Sweet crepes. I never knew they had sweet crepes. That's so cool. They have like a lot of types. They have Ked's special crepe. They have Anna's crepe. They have Cookie Monster. They have strawberry, blueberry, mango, fresh fruit crepe, and chunky monkey crepe. Ooh, make your own crepe too. Now, let's move on to the waffles. Waffles are one of my favorite breakfasts, by the way. Fresh fruit waffle. Who likes fruits on their waffle? Let's make it more sugary. Mango mania waffle. I like the mango ice cream earlier. Cinnamon. Next, Faluda. There's a lot of here. There's dry fruit and cashberry and mango chocolate. I've actually never had a Faluda in my entire life. Next time, maybe I can grab one. Okay, we already went through the ice creams, but we forgot that one. It says Bubbles Waffles. I guess they're the same, but I think they have ice cream on them. Heads also has some offers. Let's see what they are. Buy one, get 50% off on the second one. Get any two boba for $10 at Wednesday Boba Night. Maybe you guys should come check it out. Sounds good. I'm gonna. It also has a lot of cone shapes, like waffle cone shapes. There's chocolate on some of them. There's mini versions, large, there's medium. Kids also offers bowls, waffle bowls, and regular bowls in different sizes. Come try these interesting flavors and melt your summer. And try to guess what my favorite was in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and always smile with Sanvi.